Hey Arctic Warriors, what's up? Arctic Beans here. Happy Cerno Day to anyone in the Toho community. Not a happy day for my fantasy team. We lost by 25 points. Well, technically 24 and a half, but still. I mean, CJ Stroud did what he was supposed to do. I mean, Joe Burrow kind of sucked. But that's where the positives end for the Milwaukee Blizzard here. I mean, my running backs did good. I mean, Aaron Jones got 19 points. B. John Robinson got 16. But his receiving running backs were better. I mean, the A train got 20 points and Connor got 19.3. Puka's out. That doesn't help. Neighbors was probably the best out of the receivers and tight ends. Of course, he had freaking Jamar Chase. Bears D definitely carried him there. So Bengals D didn't really do much for me. So Keon Coleman, well, his first game, cutting him some slack. Again, kickers, same predicament as the running back. Elliott was good. Fairbairn was better. And definitely left some points on the bench here. I mean, Pitts, well, it was 8.2 points, and potential on the flex with Charbonnet and Audrey. I mean, definitely 3 points there, and there 14, and then of course Audrey with 24. I mean, probably wouldn't have won with those three, but definitely would have been a lot closer. But nothing we can do about that. So, oh well, it's 1 week, long season to go. Just put it behind us, get to the and focus on the next matchup. Thank you. Have a nice day. Peace.